Look at this reaction carefully. Copper oxide plus hydrogen gives copper plus water. Before the reaction, copper is combined with oxygen in CuO. Hydrogen is present as H2. After the reaction, copper becomes pure Cu. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. So clearly, something changed. Copper lost oxygen. Hydrogen gains oxygen. Now, based on this, we define two important terms. Oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or loss of electrons. Reduction. Reduction means removal of oxygen or gain of electrons. Now let's identify them in this reaction. Hydrogen goes from H2 to H2O. Hydrogen gains oxygen, so hydrogen is oxidized. Copper oxide goes from CuO to Cu. Copper loses oxygen, so copper oxide is reduced. In every reaction like this, oxidation and reduction happen together. That is why such reactions are called redox reactions. Lithium plus sulfur gives lithium sulfide. Lithium gives electrons to sulfur. Lithium, oxidation, sulfur, reduction. 2Ca plus O2 gives 2CaO. Calcium combines with oxygen. Calcium gains oxygen, oxidation. Oxygen gains electrons, reduction. Now think about this question. What happens if a reaction contains two metals? Example, zinc plus copper sulfate gives zinc sulfate plus copper. Here, zinc replaces copper. Zinc loses electrons and becomes Zn2+, so zinc undergoes oxidation. Copper ions gain electrons and become copper metal, so copper undergoes reduction. Metals like zinc or iron are more reactive than copper, so they push copper out of its compound. This idea comes from the reactivity series. Why it happens? Some atoms have only one or two electrons in the outer shell. Instead of gaining many electrons, it is easier for them to lose those electrons. Different metals hold electrons with different strength. Some metals lose electrons easily. This order is called the reactivity series. Metals high in the series like K, Na, Ca, Mg, Al, Zn lose electrons easily. Now it's your turn to find where oxidation and reduction are happening.